friends, welcome to Bella's Stitchery. Today I'm going to show you how I made this layout. It's from Ciao Bella's The Sound of Spring line. I'll have a future video with a flip through on this collection along with some other project ideas if you want to see more of this paper. But I chose this one because I like that it had birds on it. For whatever reason, I don't see bird illustrations that often. I see butterflies, dragonflies, bees, all the other kind of winged animal. Maybe not dragons, but I like that there were birds on there, and it was very tweet. Sorry for the jokes. The rest will be in fast forward, so you can miss some of the jokes. But be sure to subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, share with your friends. Let's go make stuff.